Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In this video, I'm sharing another fast and easy centerpiece. Materials I will be using include a rectangular charger plate, 2 small brush trees, 2 white ornament deer, acrylic rocks, 2 medium-sized cylinder vases, Christmas floral, and this is all from Dollar Tree, 1 large cylinder vase, and a large acrylic tree, and these are from Dollarama, 2 battery lights, these are from Amazon, some poly batting from my stash, and a little hot glue. Let's put this together. So I'm just going to take some poly batting and just cover inside the charger plate. And I'm going to put one of these lights in the bottom of inside each of the medium-sized vases. And I'm just going to place those on top of this. In the tall vase, I'm going to put a bunch of batting in the bottom and set that in the middle. Now in the 2 smaller vases, I'm going to put the acrylic rocks on top of the light. And in the smaller vases, I am going to add 1 brush tree and 1 deer. And in the large vase, I'm just going to set the tree on top of the polyfill. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of greenery and a poinsettia and a couple of pine cones. And this is the only thing I'm going to glue, just a little dab. And now I'll turn it around for you. And we'll turn on the lights. Now if you don't have these remote control lights, you could also fill this with water and put a floating candle on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.